People often ask me, how do you look so young at age 93? What is the holistic health secret? And I keep getting this question over and over, so I'm answering it now. Here is the one holistic health secret that makes me look like I'm in my 40s at 93. This supplement contains 95 out of 102 essential nutrients for the human body. So not only does it massively boost energy, but it also has tons of anti-aging effects because it acts as an antioxidant. As we age, our metabolism slows down and we notice more and more wrinkles. But this supplement counters these side effects of aging. And when I started taking this supplement, my skin looked younger and smoother after only 2 weeks. After that, I started to just feel calmer every day. So I did some research and I learned that it's actually because this supplement lowers the human stress hormone, cortisol. Fascinating, right? So you're probably wondering, what is this supplement? It's called Natural Himalayan Shilajit. Nowadays, there are a lot of fakes being sold, but the one I use and can recommend is from a brand called Natural Rems, and it's the purest and most potent one on the market. I actually linked it in my bio for anyone who is looking to buy it.